Spelling, Unit 3. Number 1. Lunch. L-U-N-C-H. Lunch. Number 2. Until. U-N-T-I-L. Cross your T, dot your I. Number 3. Number 3. Cover. C-O-V-E-R. Cover. Lunch. Until. Cover. Number 4. Buzz. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. That was number 4. Buzz. Number 5. Become. B-E-C-O-M-E. Become. Become. Number 6. Stuff. S-T-U-F-F. Cross your T. Stuff. Number 7. Nothing. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Cross your T, dot your I. Nothing. Number 8. Dull. D-U-L-L. Dull. Number 9. Month. M-O-N-T-H. Cross your T. Month. Number 10. Study. S-T-U-D-Y. Cross your T. Study. Number 11. Love. L-O-V-E. Love. Number 12. Uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. Number 13. Cuff. C-U-F-F. Cuff. Number 14. None. N-O-N-E. None. And number 15. Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. In your perfect paragraph work this week, I'm going to ask you to write a paragraph about some things that you did with a friend. Before you write, make a list of activities that you do that are fun and choose one thing to write about. Write down some words to remind you of what you want to include in your paragraph. Write a rough draft in your notebook using your notes. Use as many spelling words as you can. For example, I'm going to start a paragraph. I'm going to put my spaces, my indentation, my best friend, dot your I, my best friend and my best friend and I ate lunch in the park. My best friend and I ate lunch in the park. We could hear bees buzz as we ate. Notice the spelling word, buzz. Then we went home and played games until 3. Afterward, we had to study. Sometimes we do nothing but sit and talk under a maple tree. That is fun too. We love to do lots of stuff together.